In business, telecommunications giant Safaricom has reported a strong half-year performance, with profit after tax rising by more than 51% to 42.8 billion shillings on the back of growth in both its Kenya and Ethiopia operations. The company attributes the gains to higher data usage, the success of its M-Pesa platform, and steady expansion in its new Ethiopian market. Here is Jasmine Omboy with that report.
Safaricom's group net income jumped by 52% to 42.8 billion shillings for the 6 months ending September 30th. In Kenya, net income grew to 58.2 billion shillings, supported by higher service revenue of 194 billion. The growth was mainly driven by increased demand for mobile data and digital services.
Shows two things. A very strong Kenya business, which has grown 9.3 top line and 22% bottom line, driven by M-Pesa, which is 14% up, and mobile data, which is 13% up.
In Ethiopia, the company narrowed its losses to 15.5 billion shillings as operations gained traction. Service revenue more than doubled to 6.19 billion shillings, while the active customer base climbed to 11.2 million. Mobile data remained the biggest contributor to Ethiopia's earnings, accounting for more than half of the total revenue. The company has invested more than $2.5 billion in its Ethiopian venture to date.
So we are starting to see the benefit of investing in Ethiopia. And whilst there are still issues, especially around currency, we believe that Ethiopia will deliver fantastic momentum for the Safaricom group.
The group's total customer base rose to 62.3 million, with nearly 46.5 million active monthly users. Connectivity remained the company's largest revenue source at 96.2 billion shillings, with mobile data growing to 40.3 billion shillings, supported by the rollout of 4G and 5G services. Safaricom also maintained a 34.3% market share in fixed internet.
Our mission as a technology company goes beyond connecting people. It's about connecting them to opportunities. Over the years, the board has overseen innovations that have significantly advanced economic inclusion and empowerment.
The company has also upgraded the M-Pesa platform. The new system has since doubled transaction capacity from 6,000 to 12,000 transactions per second on M-Pesa.
We will also have it embedded AI so that it allows us to detect fraud, because we know fraud has been a challenge for our customers.
Safaricom's continued investments into technologies like AI has seen the company's profits continue to rise. This at a time when the company's leadership has expressed optimism about the future. Jasmine Wamboi, Citizen TV.